Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ATANH function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the inverse hyperbolic tangent of a certain number, but that number has to be between -1 and 1, excluding -1 and 1. So here, for example, you see that my numbers go from -1 until 1, but this number right here is not really -1, it's minus 0.999999, because if I use -1, it will just return an error. The same goes for 1 right here, it's 0.9999, so it tends till 1, but it's not 1. So yeah. Alright, now if we want to run that function, how exactly is it going to work? So pretty simple. It's a little bit like the ATANH function or the ATANH2. So we'll start with an equal sign, then we can just write down ATANH, open up our parentheses, and here we'll have to select a number. So in our case, the number will be -1, that is in the cell C4. So we can just select the cell C4, and we can run our function. And as you can see, the hyperbolic tangent of the number -1 or minus 0.999 will be minus 11.85. Well, and all the other numbers after. Now if I want to apply this function to all the numbers that are here, it's pretty simple. I can just take it and drag it just like this. And just like that, I have all my hyperbolic tangents for all the numbers that are between -1 and 1, and exclude -1 and 1 as well. Now, if I want to have all those elements inside of a chart, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select them all, and I will go inside of insert, and just to have a visual of what I have just created right here, I can click on recommended chart, and just like this, I will be able to see what my function looks like. So what I understand here is that the number can, becomes way higher the more it gets close to -1 or to 1. So to test my theory, for example, I'm just gonna make it a little bit closer to -1. So I'll add some other 9s. There we go. And just like that, as you can see, it went from -11 to -17. So if I add even more 9s, here we go, and I run it, well, it can't really go any closer, but yeah. So as you can see, this is what happens right here. So besides of that, it stays at this level. So this is a cool way to have a visual of our ATANH function. If we delete those ones right here, and if we delete the -1 and the 1, our function looks just like this. So it makes a little bit more sense. And if we have a number that is close to 1, what's gonna happen is that it will go hyperbolically like this. Or if I have a number that is close to -1, it will go hyperbolically like this way. But besides of that, this is a visual of our ATANH function inside of Microsoft Excel with numbers that are between -1 and 1, but it excludes those numbers. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like it, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.